Hey guys, I am Roslyn Roxy Jenkins, and I'm getting ready for work. I'm trying to make it as bright as possible and go as fast as I can. So I had got a request for a makeup tutorial. Don't know why, because I make more mistakes. And a lot of times I have trouble making my eyes perfect. So we gonna get into this. As you can see, I have no eyebrows on the ends. My eyebrows are very thin from plucking all my... For a long time I was plucking, so it's when you be trying to save money, you try to do it yourself. So now I have no eyebrows on this side. I couldn't get my light brighter. I'm sorry. Sorry, but we just gonna get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the ugly eye. This one is always uneven. It has less hair than this one. So let's go. So I got my pomade, and I use the one by MAC. It's called Dip Down Brown. That's the one I like to use. That's the color I prefer over black. I know some people use pencil. I started out with pencil, then I went to powder. See, there you go. And now have gotten so much better at this pomade, and it lasts a little longer. I have a problem like scratching it off when I wear my little wigs or whatever, or when I have hair in my face, because I don't like hair in my face. But when I'm between hairdos, I wear wigs, like I'm gonna do today. So as you can see, I don't like my hair between hairdos, honey. You gotta let your scalp breathe sometimes. So I hope you guys learn something from this. This ain't really my expertise. My expertise is I like to cook and talk about it. I don't know why this light ain't bright enough, but whatever. Maybe I should have did it the other way. Let's pause.